Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to fix an online US passport application that's stuck in 2026. Many applicants face frozen or unresponsive pages, and this usually happens due to browser, network, or system issues. First, refresh the page. Sometimes a simple reload fixes temporary glitches. Avoid clicking multiple times during loading. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted data can block progress. Restart the browser after clearing. Now try a different browser or device. Chrome, Edge, or Firefox work best. Incognito mode often bypasses interfering extensions. After that, check your internet connection. Unstable or slow networks can freeze the application. Use a stable Wi-Fi or wired connection if possible. Next, disable VPN or proxy services temporarily. USCIS may block masked IPs. Switch to a normal network for smoother access. If the application is still stuck, log out and log back in. Session timeouts may prevent updates. Relogin refreshes your session. Now consider waiting a few hours. USCIS systems update in batches. High traffic may cause temporary freezes. Finally, if the issue persists, contact the National Passport Information Center. Provide your application details clearly. Support can guide you on next steps or alternate submission methods. So yeah, fixing a stuck online passport application means refreshing the page, clearing cache, trying another browser, checking internet, disabling VPN, relogging, waiting, and contacting support if needed. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for listening, stay patient, and I'll see you in the next guide.